Hello guys. So today we are going to start with our unit 4, that is safety management. So basically in this chapter we are going to study about the accidents, how accidents happen, then what are the causes of the accidents, what are the effects of accidents, then what are fire hazards, what are fire drills, then why actually the safety management is needed in an organization. Okay, then different safety norms for the industrial unit, then preventive measures to avoid such causes, then safety procedures, work permits. Okay, so we are going to study this in a safety management chapter. Okay, let's begin with our first slide. So basically, our first topic is accident. So basically, in this video, we are going to study all the topics related to accidents. So what are accidents? Basically, accident is an unfortunate and sudden mishap which causes damage or it causes loss of property, material, or the human beings who are working. Okay, so basically it is a necessity to prevent such accidents, and that is why safety management is needed in order to avoid such kind of accidents. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide. Now we'll see what are different types of accidents. So basically, accidents can be internal or external. Inside internal or external, they can be major or minor accidents. In major, it can be fatal or it can cause disability. Okay, basically, disability can be of two types, that is temporary or permanent disability. In case of temporary disability, it can be partially disabled or totally disabled. And in case of permanent, basically, it can be a totally permanently disabled, or it can be a partial disability. Okay, so these are basically types of accidents. We'll see in detail what does each type of accident mean. Okay, so based on the severity, durability, and degree of injury, we are going to categorize this accidents. Okay, first one is a minor accident. Basically, in case of minor accidents, it is basically less harmful in nature to a worker, and it prevents employees for working for about a period of less than 2 days, that is 48 hours of time. Okay, and it is not necessary to report about this accidents to higher management. Then next is your reportable accidents. Basically, injuries are caused to the workers. Basically, the injuries that are caused to the workers by the accident, it prevent them for working for about 48 hours, that is 2 days or more. So supervisor should report it to the higher management about the accident. And this is a more complicated accident than the minor accident. Then third one is a fatal accident. It basically results in the death of the employee, and it's reporting to the top management, legal bodies, and police. In case of this accident, reporting to top management, legal bodies, and police is necessary. Then accidents due to dangerous occurrences like explosion, fire leakage may be reasons of such accidents. And man as well as the property can be damaged in case of this kind of accidents. Okay, so there's a greater loss to the industry. Then fifth one is the internal accidents. Basically, injury without showing external signs are called as internal accidents. That is a fractured bone is example of this kind of accident. Then sixth one is your external accident. Basically, injury with external signs of it is called as external accident. That is, we can see that injury. Then is your major accident. Accident causing the death, permanent disability, and injury to the employee is called as a major accident. And next is your temporary accident. Injury after the accident disables a worker for a short period of time, then it is called as a temporary accident. Permanent accident means accident that disables the affected worker forever comes in under the permanent accident. So these are basically nine accidents based on severity, durability, and degree of injury. Next is the accidents that are based on place of an accident. First is construction accident, that is accident that occurs at construction sites. These accidents often happens and injuries are serious in case of this kind of accidents. Second is chemical plant accidents. So exposure to chemical is really danger in everyday life. So in case of this explosion of the plant, then it's very serious injury occurs. Then is industrial plant accidents. Is busy in manufacturing and having machineries and moving parts. So basically, accidents can occur due to mistakes of workers, management, or in case of certain situations, the accidents can occur. Fourth is mining accidents. Mines are seriously dangerous sites, so they collapses of soil layers, suffocation, poisonous gases are the reasons of such kind of accidents that take place in mining. Okay, so these are the four types of accident based on the place of the accident. Okay, next we'll see what are different causes of accident. So first is due to the worker, second is due to the management, then due to unsafe working conditions and natural causes. These are the four main causes of accidents. We'll see in detail one by one. First is causes of accidents due to worker. First of all, poor knowledge of work, then overconfident behavior at workplace, mischievous behavior, lack of concentration, stress in work, overtime in the work, unnecessary daring, less work experience, use of mobile while working, unstable mental condition, fear of accident, physical problem like eyesight and hearing inabilities, working without authority, bad habits like alcoholism, smoking, reckless at work, lack of confidence, poor in handling pressure situation, not aware about the rules and regulations of the specific work, not following rules and regulations, indisciplined nature, and disputes between the colleagues. So these can be major causes of accident due to the workers. Now, next is causes of accident due to the management. Basically, provision of unsafe workplace to the workers, bad construction of the plant, untrained workers, extra load of work to the employees, poor housekeeping, arrangement of machine equipments in accident-prone manner, heavy mental pressure on workforce, lack of safe procedures, poor discipline of work at workplace, less control of habits of worker employee behaviors, their movements, no provision of safety equipment, no plan of plant protection, and bad electricity can be the causes of accident due to the management. Next comes the causes of accident. Then there are some more causes of accident due to the management, like faulty equipment, wrong assignments of work, that is incorrect person working at sensitive jobs, unguarded moving parts, overcrowding of machines at shop floor, overcrowding of persons near to the workplaces, no alternative arrangement of escapes at the time of accidents, no arrangement for accident control and damping, lack of safety awareness, careless management approaches. These can be some more causes of accidents due to management. Next is causes of accidents due to unsafe working conditions, like a poor workplace layout, then oily surfaces, slippery floors, poor illumination, suffocation at work, bad housekeeping, unnecessary slopes and steps on the shop floor, unnoticeable turns and crossings, weak machine foundation, poor electrification, exposure to moving parts. So these can be some causes of accidents due to unsafe working conditions. Some more causes due to unsafe working conditions are chemical leakages, storage of explosives without proper care, humidity at workplace, no consideration of human factor while designing the chairs, table, operating systems of the machine. So inconvenient working arrangement, irregular floor heights, unscientific gangways, galleries, and staircases, psychological pressures due to bad work culture, no support at work by others, negative competition, jealousy factor, groupism at workplace. It causes mental imbalance of many while working, unavailability of basic facilities near the workplace. So these can be some causes of accidents due to unsafe working conditions. Next comes causes of natural causes of accidents like natural causes like earthquake, floods, cyclone, temperature strokes, snowfalls, landslide, collapses, heavy rains. This can be some natural causes of accidents. Okay. Next are effects of accidents. So, following are the effects of accidents on various elements of the society. First is effect on workers, second is effect on industry, third is effect on family, and fourth is effect on management. Let's see in detail one by one. First of all is effects on worker. So, how can an accident affect on a worker? Basically, injury to body, loss of skills, loss of job, leave for recovery. In case of fatal accident, loss of life. Then a confidence level gets hampered, growth in career may get affected, and financial losses. So, this can be an effects on a worker. Then effects on the industry. What does the accident affects on the industry? How does it affect on the industry? Production stoppage, bad message to other workers, reputation is lowered, financial loss for compensating the affected work, extra cost on recovery of machine, place, and building. Then the how accident affects on management, time to solve the case, then time consuming to solve the case, issues related to court, police, hospitals, and compensation. Status among competitors is affected. Faith of workers get disturbed. More attentiveness become necessary in future. And last one, effects on family. Loss of earning member, hospitalization related time and money losses, attention to patient's need, stability of family is disturbed. Other family members may lose working hours after accident of their family member and feeling of insecurity. Okay. Finally, so these are the effects of accidents on the family. So, these were the effects of accident on different various elements in the society. So, I hope this topic of accident is clear to you all. Okay, if you have any doubt, we can discuss about it on next Wednesday. Okay, thank you.